The Mavic 4 Pro. Early leaks suggest it could be one of the most advanced drones ever designed, packed with powerful tech and features that aim to push the boundaries of what's possible in the sky. From a camera system that rivals professional rigs to flight capabilities that stretch the limits, here's a look at what we might expect from this highly anticipated drone. A redesigned drone with cinematic freedom. DJI has always prioritized portability and performance, and it looks like the Mavic 4 Pro will continue that legacy but with a few bold upgrades. One rumored feature is a 360-degree camera roll, giving pilots creative control like never before. This kind of maneuverability is a first for the Mavic line and would be a major leap for aerial videography. To make it happen, DJI appears to have overhauled the gimbal for more flexible movement while also enhancing stabilization. The goal? Ultra-smooth footage, even when capturing fast-moving or complex shots in challenging conditions. A triple-lens camera setup like no other. One of the most talked-about upgrades is the camera. Rather than a single lens, the Mavic 4 Pro is rumored to include a 3-camera array. The main sensor is said to be a 4/3-inch CMOS unit capable of producing ultra-high-resolution images up to 100 megapixels through advanced stitching methods. The other two cameras are expected to offer different focal lengths, including a mid-telephoto and a zoom lens. With focal lengths ranging from around 24mm to 166mm, users could easily switch between wide landscapes and tight, zoomed-in shots without losing quality. On the video side, it looks like DJI is aiming for 6000 resolution at 60 fps, along with 4000 at a silky smooth 120 fps. Combine that with professional features like D-Log for enhanced color grading options, and you've got a drone ready for serious production work. Flight time and transmission range. That battery performance is a huge deal in the drone world, and here, the Mavic 4 Pro may offer up to 52 minutes of flight on a single charge thanks to a battery, rumored to be over 6600 mAh. That would make it one of the longest flying drones in its class. Even more impressive is the expected transmission system. Using DJI's new O4 Plus tech, the drone could potentially stay connected with the controller from as far as 40 kilometers away. That kind of range unlocks new creative possibilities, especially for filmmakers and explorers working in remote areas. Smart tech that takes the pressure off pilots. It's not just about flying anymore, it's about flying smart. The Mavic 4 Pro is expected to come loaded with intelligent features, including autonomous subject tracking and advanced obstacle avoidance. These systems are designed to let the drone handle navigation so pilots can stay focused on framing the perfect shot. Rumors also suggest the use of LiDAR technology commonly found in self-driving cars to improve spatial awareness in difficult conditions, like dim lighting or cluttered environments. This would mark a big step forward in safety and precision. Rapid recharging for professionals on the move. For users who shoot all day, charging speed is everything. The Mavic 4 Pro might include ultra-fast charging support via USB Power Delivery 3.1, with up to 2400 of power. DJI is reportedly offering both 1000 and 2400W charging adapters, with the higher output being ideal for users juggling multiple batteries in the field. This means less waiting and more time in the air, especially important during fast-paced commercial shoots or outdoor expeditions. Pricing and launch expectations. So, when can you actually buy it? While the original launch was speculated for mid-April, recent leaks suggest a revised reveal window in mid-May. If that's accurate, we might see an official teaser within days. As for pricing, the standard model may start at around $2,800. A more advanced version with premium features like ProRes video support could range between $4,000 and $5,000. Not cheap, but for professionals who need uncompromising quality, the investment could be well justified. Final word: with a redesigned frame, cutting-edge imaging system, long-range flight, and high-speed charging, the Mavic 4 Pro looks like it's shaping up to be more than just a minor upgrade. It could be a creative tool that changes the way people shoot from the air. Of course, everything's still unofficial until DJI pulls the curtain back. But if these leaks are anywhere close to the final product, drone fans have a lot to look forward to. Are you ready for what DJI is planning next? Or are you waiting to see how the final version stacks up before making a decision?